What is up, everyone? This is DC5 James. Today's video is going to be for all the people buying their first car, or maybe you're buying your son or daughter their first car, and you want to make sure you're getting them something safe, reliable, easy to maintain, while still keeping it budget friendly. So here we are, the top 5 best used cars for under $5,000. So to top it off, number 5, we're going to talk about the 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is a no-brainer when it comes to this list. It's known for its reliability, smooth ride, and excellent resale value. These things just do not depreciate. Even at 15 plus years old, a well-maintained Camry will easily pass 200,000 miles. The parts are cheap. You'll find plenty in great shape for under $5K. It's the ultimate buy it, forget it car. Perfect for a first-time driver. This is an easy one to put on the list. All right, coming in at number 4, we got the 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic. The Civic, it's a favorite amongst first-time buyers because it's cheap to run, super reliable, and it's surprisingly fun to drive. Even higher mileage Civics from this era will run for years with basic maintenance. Insurance is affordable, gas mileage is excellent, and there's a massive community of Civic owners if you ever need help or cheap parts. The aftermarket has a huge selection. If you want to customize your car, modify your car, the possibilities are endless when it comes to the Civic. Number 3, we got the 2006 to 2010 Mazda 3. If you want something that's fun to drive, the Mazda 3 is a great pick. It handles good, the interior is pretty nice, and it's got a reputation for reliability that rivals Honda and Toyota. The hatchback models give you tons of cargo space, making it a great all-around daily driver. Look for a 2006 to 2010 model and you'll get a lot of car for your money. Number 2, we have the 2007 to 2011 Honda Fit. If you need something that's both practical and fuel efficient, the Honda Fit is a subcompact that feels way bigger than it really is. Its magic seat lets you fold the back seats flat or up, making it perfect for hauling stuff. It really is amazing what you can fit into these things. Plus, it's one of the easiest cars to park, and it gets over 30 miles per gallon. It's perfect for people living in the city or college students on a budget. Definitely a good choice. And coming in at number 1, the 2007 to 2011 Toyota Corolla. It's not flashy, it's the king of affordable reliability. A well cared for Corolla can easily pass 300,000 miles with just oil changes and basic maintenance. And again, it's cheap to insure, it's easy to fix, and the thing just sips gas. If you want a car that just works and won't leave you stranded, this is my number 1 pick. So there you have it, the Toyota Camry, the Honda Civic, the Mazda 3, the Honda Fit, and the Toyota Corolla. 5 used cars under $5K, perfect for first-time drivers. You get a lot of bang for your buck, ultra reliable. I wouldn't hesitate to put one of my kids in one of these. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below what your first car was. Mine was an '89 Integra, one of my favorite cars. Once again, I'm DC5 James. See you in the next video.